I received my third parts order for the lower unit project today, and so we'll see if finally I can finish this project, which is now in its 8th week because of ordering all these parts. So I'll show you first what the problem was. The problem was this shift rod here, which you can see is damaged on the end. Okay, well, this shift rod goes into this housing. This housing goes into the lower unit over here, and this piece goes down and is what actually changes the transmission from forward to reverse. So this is the piece that is damaged right here. So I ordered a new one, and the new one was on back order, and the new one took a month to get here. And when it got here, okay, this end, which is where it was damaged, is fine, but this end is now different. You can see it's a different a diameter, so that means that it didn't fit into this gear. So my second order, I ordered this gear, and now this gear fits on the new shift rod. All right, so we put that back into the housing and put the new gear on, but we can see that the new gear does not mesh with the gear that's on this rod. The teeth are different. All right, well then that means I have to order this new gear. Okay, this new gear came today. So you can see this gear now meshes with the new gear that has to go on this arm right here. All right, this new gear, however, does not fit on the old shift lever. So it's also a larger diameter. So I had to order a new shift rod lever. Well, this shift rod lever now doesn't fit into this housing. So I had to order on my third order, which arrived today, the new housing. Now it appears as though this new gear, and this new shift lever are all going to fit in the new housing. So after 8 weeks of ordering parts, it looks like I have everything I need to finish this project. What I don't understand is why in my DF300 model 2017, why this still had all these old parts. And at least the dealer that sold it to me here in Panama told me it was a 2017. So if somebody has some information on why I had to replace all these parts, I'd appreciate an update. In the meantime, I'm going to put all this together, put the lower unit back together, and reinstall it on the boat, and get back in the water after 8 weeks of waiting for parts. And once it's back in the water, I'll give an update on how the installation went.